Hi there, this is Sarah from Transparent Classroom, and today we're going to take a look at how to record lessons and create printable lesson plans on the Progress and Plan page. You can find the Progress and Plan page just below the Activity page in your directory. Here on the Progress and Plan page, you can see your classroom at a glance. The children in your classroom are arranged from oldest to youngest at the top of the page, and the lessons in each area appear on the left. In each square, child progress is color-coded to your lesson scale and keywords. The key at the top, you can see that for our classroom, dark blue means mastered, blue is for practiced, light blue is for introduced, and orange is for needs more. To change your lesson scales, go to Admin, Lesson Sets, Settings, and check the box marked Customize Scales. Changing the lesson scale will also change the keywords you use in the activity page. Using Progress and Plan, with a single click, you can mark Winona as introduced to pouring water. If you click again, you can move the child to practiced, mastered, needs more, and return the square to white to leave it blank. You can right-click to see all of the options at once. Or if you're using an iPad, you can get right-click options by holding your finger on a square. For tablets and other portable devices, you can collapse the navigation menu on the left to create more space for record keeping. You can also update the progress of multiple children by clicking and dragging to select a group. Children can be reordered to make recording group presentations easier. When you're done, save your changes. Since you recorded Winona as introduced to pouring water on the Progress and Plan page, when you go to the Activity page, you'll be able to see it recorded there as well. If you save a lesson by mistake, you can right-click then click on the ellipsis and hover over the saved observation to delete the record and make that square blank again. You can also use this function to edit or change observations. Now that you've entered some records, switch from Record to Plan mode by clicking the toggle button. The Plan mode looks just like the Record mode, however, now one click will flag a lesson you plan to give. Black flags represent your planned lessons, and blue flags represent the plans of any teachers or trained assistants who share your classroom. In the Plan page, you can still access record-keeping options by right-clicking on a square. Let's go to Lesson Plan to view the lessons you plan to give. From the drop-down menu in the upper right, select My Planned to view only the lessons you personally have planned. Next, select the style of lesson plan you'd like to use. Child Boxes shows each child's name and the lessons you've planned to give. You can enter records straight from your lesson plan. To mark a lesson as introduced, just check the boxes. We can go to the Activity page and see the lessons that we've recorded in our lesson plan. These lessons will also appear on the Progress and Plan page. You'll never have to enter anything more than once. The weekly view shows the child's name, the lessons that you've most recently given, and the lessons you've planned to give, as well as having space for notes. If you do not prefer screens in the classroom, you can easily print your lesson plans by clicking Command or Control P. Turn off headers and footers, and you'll be ready to print. When it's time for record keeping, you can just bring your printed plan back to the computer and check off the lessons you've presented, or use your plan to enter records directly into the Activity page. Use the by-day lesson plan to schedule presentations throughout the week. For additional information about this lesson plan, check out the next tutorial called Elementary Lesson Planning and Meetings. It's important to note that using this lesson plan, you can add lessons and add children to existing planned lessons without having to go back to the Progress and Plan page. That's all for the Progress and Plan page. Have fun exploring, and let us know if you have any questions by clicking Help in the upper right-hand corner of your screen.